Welcome to Mystical Platter with me, Rehnaz. Eid is around the corner, and I'm sure you all are planning your menu for the big day. I'm here today with another non-veg recipe, Shaami Kebab. It's purely your choice which meat you want to use. You can use either beef, mutton, or even chicken. Here I am using beef. So let's get started. In a pressure cooker, add 1 medium-sized onion, roughly chopped, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 chopped green chillies, mint leaves used here are from my garden. You can easily grow it at home and use them in daily life. It can be used in tea as well. Half cup of mint leaves is added. Half cup of coriander leaves. Quarter cup of fresh coconut cut into small pieces. You can also use grated coconut. Half cup of chana dal. It's also called as split Bengal gram dal. Half teaspoon of peppercorns. 2 red chillies. 4 cloves. 4 cinnamon sticks and 4 cardamom. Since the chana dal was washed, it's stuck onto my spoon. 1 teaspoon salt. Half a kg of meat. Here I'm using beef. You can actually use mutton or chicken. Mix well till everything is combined properly. Add 2 cups of water and then you can mix well and check for the salt. If it's less, you can add more according to your taste. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well, close the lid and pressure cook for about 15 minutes for beef. If you're using chicken or mutton, it varies, the time varies for getting it cooked. While pressure cooking it, cook on high flame for 5 minutes and then simmer it for 10 minutes. And also make sure that there's no water left after cooking. It should be dry and it should be completely cooked. If there is water left, keep it on the stove again and then cook till all the water is dried. Now let's transfer it to a grinder and grind it into a paste. It should be completely grinded into a smooth fine paste. Here it is ready. To it, add 2 eggs and mix it well. You add eggs for it to bind well, otherwise if you just add in without the eggs, it may break when you're frying. So mix completely and then make small patties. You can make it any shape. Here I have made round shapes. Heat a pan and add oil for shallow frying. When the oil is hot, add the kebabs one by one into the oil. Once it is done on one side, turn it over and cook till both the sides are evenly cooked and it's brown. The oil gets frothy here, it's because of the egg what you have added. Once done, transfer it to the serving dish. A scrumptious Shaami Kebab is ready. You can have them anytime as a starter, with your main course, or even as a snack. Hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Please try this recipe and leave your feedback in the comment box below. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notification from Mystical Platter. Thanks for watching.